what tomorrow brings. With each morning I rise and see my God's love will lead me through. You are the peace in my troubled sea. Oh, you are the peace in my troubled sea. My lighthouse, shining in the darkness, I will follow you. My lighthouse, I will trust the promise. You will carry me safe to shore, safe to shore, safe to shore, safe to shore.
Good morning, Kookaburra.
I'm very angry.
Cedar, what do you think?
Yours can only be 30.
What is it, Cedar?
Cookie Kookaburra.
Cedar, what is it? It's right there. What is it?
It's a Kookaburra.
Yeah, Kookaburra.
Where's the baby one gone?
Where's its baby?
Away.
Why is it looking at us funny? Is it about to attack because it's when you're next to its baby?
How does it attack?
I don't know. It's kind of got a funny look on its face. Or maybe it wants to fly down and eat the crust that we put on the ground. Savannah's freaking out.
Oh, Aurora, it's giving you death stare.
It's looking at you, Aro.
It's looking at other people.
Oh no, my battery's going flat. I can't film you it attacking you.
Oh, I like the baby one better. It's not going to attack. It's staring at Arrow.
Cedar, Kookaburra.
Where's the baby one gone? Like the one just flew over here and then the
What's
baby
it doing? It's just sitting there. Maybe it wants to fly down and eat all the crusts. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Oh man, it's going to get your crust.
It's hitting its head on the ground. It's hitting its... Wow. XX Kookaburra XX.
Oh, it's eating you. It's eating your Nutella crust, your Nutella toast crust. I didn't know Kookaburra.
It's hitting its head on the ground. XX Kookaburra. It's attacking the ground. I know.
No, it's trying. It's not attacking. It's trying to break it in half.
Yeah.
It's crunchy. Oh no, it can't get it.
Are you filming it? Are you filming? Are you filming it?
Yeah.
Oh, baby, no, that's the baby one. It's a baby one.
Is it? Where's the baby Kookaburra?
Yeah, it's in the tree. Look, it's gonna fly down. Wait, stay here. Stay where you are.
Have smell-o-vision.
Yeah, we have smell and then Hello, we just went down a huge amount of steps and we are at Alligator Gorge and we are doing the Alligator Gorge circuit hike today. What do you think, Autumn? You excited? This is supposed to be a 2-hour hike and so hopefully it goes well. It's so pretty down here. I tell you what, I'm not looking forward to going back up those steps though. That's where we came down. Alright, so we're going the Narrows hike. Alright, let's go.
Let's see if we can film some tadpoles. Just swish around in the water a little bit, will you? Just a bit. Go. And you'll see them. There they go. They're baby
They're
frogs.
probably all in here because this is the only water that's not dried up.
Yeah, there's nowhere else to go.
I want to touch it.
They can still survive.
We looked at you wanted to get one out of the water.
No, then they'll die.
Just look at it.
It will die.
No, we can't
Bucket for
bring it.
catching tadpoles.
No,
Not
leave
really.
it here where they can grow into frogs.
Teddy bones.
Waterfall.
Yes.
Oh my god.
So, I'm filming. So, we're in the gorge, Alligator Gorge, and we're across another body of water.
There's tadpoles in this water.
There's tadpoles in
Just
there.
like careful, Dad. They're going under your
And
shoe.
another big body of water
Good time for a lineup photo.
in the water here.
Oh, wait, there's other people. Wait for the other half to go.
So, we've just found a bit of a creek crossing.
You see the tadpoles?
Oh, there they are. Look. See the black little tadpoles swimming.
I
Lots.
ended up.
Oh no.
I keep like
Oh, Tom.
something.
I can't believe how close we are.
Nice. Well, it's a family.
Alright, so we're nearly at the end of the walk. We're at the wrong car park. We just got to go further. Cedar's here. Everyone's here. And we're going further to the second car park, the Gorge Lookout car park. And then we'll be back. Let's go, Cedar.
Hello everyone, we have arrived today. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon at our third camp destination that we're going to set the tent up. Now this is a first for us. This is a free camp. It says that there's toilets, it says there's water, drinking water. We haven't found that yet, but we found the toilets. And we've only just sort of settled in, had some afternoon tea and starting to unpack and get the tent up. So this is the first time of setting up the tent without anyone to help us, because at the first 2 places there was a really nice man, the same guy at both places, who came to help us. But here at Fitzgerald Bay, just have a little look here at where we are. You see the ocean down there, it's absolutely beautiful. There's some hills, there's holly. And yeah, what we rock up and get the mat out. And Savannah's camping setup job is to play with Autumn. And she's doing her job, and Francis and Ari's job is to set up tent. So we've got the tent and you're going to set up the poles. Dad's getting the pole bag out. And let's see how long it takes us. Look how pretty it is. We're going to go to the beach later. Okay, that was our quickest ever setup. I'm so happy. We've now completely set up. Hi Savannah. That was a quick setup of our tent, wasn't it?
I know, it was like 2 seconds.
It was really good. And it's so nice here. We all know what we're doing now. We can put up the tent. It just went thunk up, everyone just worked together. And yeah, we've had tea now and it's about 7:30 and we're setting up the baby's bed. But I just thought I'd film for a minute to check out this beautiful sunset and the pink and the moon. Hang on, I'll just show you. The moon and the sun is setting behind the hills. I'll show you where we were at our last campsite. I'll just pan around. Hi Francis.
We're filming you.
There's
filming.
the bus, there's cute Cedar. Are you ready for bed yet? Oh. There's our tent and trailer. So pretty. And then I'll just have to walk over here so they can see there's the beach. That we are at Fitzgerald Bay
Filming.
on the very start of the Eyre Peninsula, and it is beautiful. We have this is a free camp. It has toilets and running water. How good is that, Savannah? Wow, stay there on that chair. I need to take some photos. This at dusk, it looks so pretty. I'm just gonna stand up here. Hang on. And then over there, I'm just gonna stand on this chair. Over there is, I think, Whyalla. Okay. Can I stand on this table? Whoa. Aha, there we are. The hills. Absolutely beautiful.
Francis is just like,
I think I'm going to take a few photos because this lighting is just amazing at the moment.
No, it's not.
It is, it's absolutely beautiful. We're
I honestly
so
myself-
blessed.
I'll see myself on my iPad.
Francis just wants everyone to see that he has an iPad. That's all he cares about. It's just the iPad. He doesn't care about the view, about anything except the iPad. So anyway, I'm going to sit there, Savannah. I want to take some photos. Try again. You have to sort of like do like a sweeping motion with your arm.
Does it work with shells or only rocks?
Rocks.
Oh, here's a really good one. I don't know really how though. Maybe because I have one with shells. Let me try like.
So it's just dusk now and we're just enjoying the beautiful still night and the moon. We've put the babies to bed and we're down here at the beach at Fitzgerald Bay enjoying this beautiful evening. And I took some really nice shots of the sun. So the colour here at dusk is just amazing. Anyway, there's the sun setting behind me and the moon. It's just beautiful. And so it's amazing scenery here. It's like the ocean, and during the day it looks even better with like the two different colours. And you can't really see at the moment. Oh yes you can, across the bay. That's where we were before at the Mount Remarkable National Park. And there's the mangroves.
Mum.
Yeah.
When we were here, like in afternoon at midday, we had to, because the tide was so out, like in, we had to walk all the way over to the mangroves that you're talking about.
Yeah, you actually walked out there.
Yeah, we walked all the way
Because the
over.
tide was way out and now
It took so long.
the tide's all the way in here.
Right in.
And there's some beautiful rocks along this beach too. We've been collecting some nice smooth pebbles. So today's Sunday. We went to church this morning and checked out a new church. We went to Whyalla Baptist Church and then had a rest this afternoon, and we're going to work out what we're going to do this week. This is probably our last week camping and we're probably going home sort of later in the week, and we might stop off at a cabin or something on the way home because we want to do like a few more sightseeing things but don't really want to set up our tent, so we're going to do that on the way home. So it's been really good. It's just been a bit annoying. The flies have been really annoying and it's just uncomfortable seeing baby Autumn get all flies around her eyes and she doesn't know how to swish them away. And little Cedar was playing this afternoon with his little trucks and he had like a huge swarm of flies all around him. So the flies are a bit annoying, but right now at dusk they're mostly gone away and it's so much nicer. Yeah, this is just beautiful out here. Goodbye, son. So, yeah, our tent is just over that little sand dune just over there. And look at the colour of this sky. I should take some more photos. It's so calm tonight. You did it, Ari. That was a good one. Is it? Look how there's one mangrove tree in the water. There's one random mangrove tree. Did you? Good effort. They're seeing if they can walk to that mangrove tree. It's actually really shallow for a long way. Oh, you did walk to those ones earlier, didn't you? Get to the tree. Hey, can you see the flashing lights out to sea now?